Hey there, do you have a CNC machine that you wish you could use for those bulk volume projects so that you could get the accuracy and versatility of the CNC, but not waste that expensive machine's time doing just one hole at a time for a repeated pattern? Well, we here at Auto Drill like to create solutions just for that sort of application. So we've made an adapter to go on the non-rotating spindle of a CNC machine and an ER collet chuck with a driver to drive our multi-spindle head. And that can go on a BT40 or a CAT40, whatever adapter you need we can make for you. But we can do a custom head, we can do an adjustable head. You could have this adjustable head and you could do like a 4-spindle bolt circle pattern, or maybe you have 2 parts with a narrow profile and they have 2 different center to centers, and maybe you want to do one that's real close. Or in the other one, maybe it's a much bigger center to center. Or maybe you have one big part and you could use 2 spindles on opposite sides of this head, just like this, and get yourself a nice wide center to center. These are ER25 chucks on this head, so we're rated to drill, I want to say 5/8 steel with that head. But give us a shout here at Auto Drill, 1-800-871-5022. We'd love to help you make that CNC machine more productive and more efficient for you, help you attack those bulk volume projects that you might otherwise turn down because it's just too much time involved on the machine. But we can cut that time way, way down for you. How would you use a head like this in your shop to make yourself more efficient? Give us an idea. Leave us your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for visiting and have a great day.